Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 highest paying freelancing skills that everyone should have knowledge about. So you can take any freelancing platform, whether it might be Fiverr or Upwork or whatever it might be. So these 5 skills are the highly paid skills. So let's start the list one by one. So the first skill is web designing. So ultimately, web designers are most preferred in any freelancing platforms, because the reason is, if there are high large number of startups or large number of small scale businesses that are coming every single day. So they need websites, and they don't want to hire, I mean, they're not willing to hire an agency or a group of people just to develop their websites. They hire freelancers mostly. And you don't need hardcore coding skills in order to become a web designing freelancer. Just having a knowledge of WordPress will help you. So WordPress is the highest paying skill. So if you know WordPress, you know how to design templates using drag and drop things and all those stuff. You can find multiple themes and templates in WordPress. Just all the things that you need to do is customizing those themes. So if you have a good, I mean, hands-on experience on building WordPress sites, then you will be paid ultimately with some huge amount. And the second most demanding skill in any freelancing website is graphic designing. So people need to manage the social media, because nowadays everything is digitalized, and people with good online presence or companies with good online presence will ultimately get good customers. For that, they need to expertise, they need to expose their content in social media, and all those things they need graphic designers for social media management, for creating everyday social media posts, for designing their logos, and to create YouTube videos, to create YouTube thumbnails, to create newsletters, or to send emails in different templates, whatever it might be. And for magazines also. So people need graphic designers for multiple things. So if you're someone with good skills on Photoshop and all this stuff, then ultimately you will get hired and you will be paid more. And there are cases where you will be paid more than even the web designers, because sky is the limit for graphic designing. So if you're a good graphic designer with good skills on Photoshop and all this stuff, you will definitely be paid well. And the third skill that I will share is content writing or copywriting. So it was like people, it might be for blog writing, or writing about them in multiple social media handles. So, or writing about them in LinkedIn, managing the social media and writing about some unique posts, or highlighting their work and all the stuff. So people hire blog writers or content writers very frequently, because every company needs, because they are highly dependent on social media and the content on the internet. So people with good skills on content writing and copywriting, with some add-on of SEO, search engine optimization. So just writing about them is not enough. You need to follow some SEO principles. Then ultimately you will be paid high. So learn content writing or copywriting. And if you are a good writer already, try to improve your SEO skill. Then ultimately you will be paid high as a freelancer. And the fourth skill that is highly paid is consulting. So consulting is all about teaching people that you know, that's it. So if you are already a graphic designer and you know how to get clients for freelancing, then you can post something like I know how to earn money with a particular skill. So if people who are interested to know about it will pay you for an hour, or for a particular class kind of thing, you will teach them the thing. Also, if people want to go for higher education, so if you know, if you're already studying in abroad, then you can also post something like, I can guide you on how you can manage all those things, how you can get a seat in abroad and all this stuff. So many things, teaching. If you're good in something, you can use this consulting to consult people who are new to the particular thing. So it is also a highly demanding skill, and people will also pay you for that. And the last and final skill that really helps you is Android app development. So it's a technical skill, it's a core technical skill. So if you know how to build Android apps in Android Studio, so even iOS development is also a good highly payable skill. But yes, there are more number of Android users, then it's the reason why Android app development is still one of the top 5 highest paying skills. So if you know Java and all the stuff, Kotlin is a recent breakthrough in Android app development. So try to learn Java and Kotlin, and if you're already familiar with Android Studio, then you can show your expertise in building Android apps for the small scale businesses and clients, and you will be paid highly. And yes, these are all the top five highest paying skills in all the freelancing platforms. So if you want to earn money and some decent income using your skills, whether you might be a student or a professional or a full-time freelancer, whatever it might be, so there is no harm in exposing your skills and earning money. So try to brush up your skills. So if you're already good in one of the skill that among these five, then think of a way on how you can actually make money out of it. Thank you for watching this video.